A meeting of experts in the Maritime Hotel Frankfurt on May 30th, 2012. In the European city with the largest cargo airport, decision makers from the airlines, freight forwarders, and IT service providers meet for the Aviation Day Europe. The central question of the IATA Air Cargo Conference is, how can the digitalization of processes increase efficiency and provide a handle on future growth? Points of discussion were the Electronic Air Waybill, the IATA Initiative E-Freight, and the Electronic Security Declaration. Currently hot topics because, in comparison with other industries, the airline industry has a lot of catching up to do in the area of automatic information transfer. According to the IATA, more than 2 million master airway bills, more than 10 million house airway bills, and more than 200,000 security declarations are generated every year on manually processed paper. On average, 20 indispensable documents per shipment are needed. The conference participants were unanimous that in the future, information must be processed digitally and in real time. We in the air cargo industry are confronted with a growing number of rules and regulations which we must follow worldwide, amidst a growing mountain of paper. And I think it's an absolute prerequisite that we start moving in the direction of automation in order to get on top of this situation at all in a reasonable, efficient, and cost-oriented way. Everyone involved benefits from digitalization in terms of reduced costs, higher quality, less post-processing, increases in efficiency, and also more speed, which plays an especially important role in air cargo. That means a higher transparency, which is very important in logistics. That is, where is what freight available in which condition at what moment. The industry-wide introduction of electronic air waybills is an important milestone. More and more freight forwarders see the advantage and are concluding basic agreements with their carriers. At this year's Aviation Day Europe, representatives of Geodis Wilson, ITG, Quick Cargo Service, and SDV Geis all signed agreements with Lufthansa Cargo. With an all-out global effort in the last few years, Lufthansa Cargo managed to reach an E-Freight level of 20%. That is far short of the mark. We want to be processing 70% of all shipments without paper by the end of 2013, and by 2015, 100% of all shipments on the lanes, where that is possible. A precondition for that is receiving 100% data quality from our partners, from our freight forwarders. That is my personal wish, because without that high quality of data, an automation of the chain is impossible. It is clear for Lufthansa Cargo, as well as for most of the participants of the Aviation Day Europe, the digital transfer of information can create an obvious increase in efficiency for the industry. Only those who face up to that challenge today will safeguard their chances for success tomorrow. E-Freight is the way of the future.